Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this low download speed on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, check your internet connection. That's the most important thing to do. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data isn't stable. Alright, so try opening a browser or YouTube to confirm your speed. If the internet itself is slow, then the Telegram will also be slow. Alright, so got it? And the second option is to disable data saver. Because of this, it can limit the Telegram background activity and slow download. Alright, so the third option is to clear the cache of the app. So sometimes too much cache data can affect the performance of the app. Alright? And lastly, you need to update your Telegram. Go to your Play Store or Apple App Store and make sure your Telegram is updated. Older version can sometimes cause slower download. And that's it. By following this step, you should see much better download speed on Telegram.